Okay, one more since you begging me for it. You know, the people who make fitted sheets need to sit down with the people who make mattresses and get on the same page. Making the bed should not be like putting a swimming cap over a fridge. You know how many times I woke up in a body bag. I got a football injury the other day. I'm old and I got a football injury the other day. I strained a vocal cord yelling at the TV. Okay. I still have a full deck. I just shuffle a little slower these days. Later.